Get paid with this brand new strategy that I'll share with you in today's video. It works for absolutely free and you can get paid again and again without any previous skills. If you're interested, just make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on, since we're going to notify you whenever we upload brand new strategies just like these ones on the screen on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question about this tutorial. So with that said, let me start with this video so I can show you every single step. I'm going to give you some platforms that you can combine in order to make this strategy work and also make the most money, so just stay tuned for that. And your very first step is to come over to the first platform for today that is going to pay you today, but since you are a beginner, you need to follow me step by step till the end. So your very first step once again is to come over to Latium, and this is over at latium.org. As you can see, people come here in order to hire some people to do some work for them, or you can work here for free in order to get paid through dollars or even cryptocurrency. What I want you to do is to just come over to their website and learn more information about it. You can read all of it and explore it a little bit on your own, and then for the sake of this tutorial you need to just go over to projects for bid, and it's going to take you over to this page where you're going to notice that people are just giving some projects and other freelancers just bid for this project. They see all of these projects and works that are suitable for them, they bid for that job, and if they get accepted they need to do this job and then get paid for that. And you're going to see that there are a lot of categories available, just like the newest one, others, then translation and languages, graphic and design, data entry, website and software, sales and marketing, writing and contact, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot of things that you can do over here, but today we are going to focus on one in particular. First of all, in one category in particular, and then in one subcategory. So what I want you to do is to just click on graphic and design, and you're going to see that there are like 38 available projects. In the next page you're going to notice over here what people are just offering for other people to do. So you're going to see that there are some logo design jobs, also there are needed some web page designers and so on. And I want you to focus on logo design because I'm going to give you a free tool today that is going to help you with all of the hard work as well. So you're going to just start as a beginner and get paid again and again. You're going to see once again, just like I mentioned before, that they offer the subcategories as well that you can just select by yourself. You can even find the logo design one. As you can see over here, there are like 19 jobs here as a logo design, but you can even explore each one of them. So what I want you to do right now is to proceed to the next platform for today. It's going to be that free tool that I mentioned at the beginning of this video, and before that you can even check out how much money you can make. For example, this one here pays you from $5 up to $25, this one here up to $1,000, this one here up to $500, and so on. So you can find the one that suits you the best, the one that pays you the most. It depends on you, but don't worry because you don't need to have any skills or experience for this, because I said even before that you're going to take advantage of that free tool that I'm going to mention today for you to just save a lot of time, but also to do all of the hard work for you, because maybe you are not very good in designing some logos, and I'm going to help you with that, so don't worry. So what you need to do is to come over to this platform which is called Free Logo Design, and this is over at freelogodesign.org. As you can see, you can create your own logo for free in just a few minutes. You can design your logo with the Free Logo Design logo maker. They have pretty good reviews, and most importantly they work for free, so you can just create the design and save it for absolutely free, and are going to help you with that. Actually, you don't need to create it from scratch. You can just see all of the free logo designs that are going to offer you. As you can see, they ask you for your company name and then to click on the get started button. So what I'm going to do for the sake of this tutorial is to just copy the name of my YouTube channel and paste it over here. Of course, you need to just put the name of the company that you are going to create the logo for, or you can write something else. It's going to depend also on the customer. Then in the next page you're going to just click on create my logo, of course, because you are here in order to create it. yourself, not to pay someone else to do that. Click on create my logo, and in the next page they are going to generate a lot of logos for you, and they are in all of these categories as well. You can even choose a particular one from security, religious, politics, photography, industrial, food and drink, flora, and so on. So there are a lot of categories that you can choose from, that it depends on the company that you are creating your logo on. So you can just select one of these for the sake of this tutorial, because I want to show you how it works. Click on the choose button, and it's going to take you over to the editor page, and you're going to notice over here that you can even change the icons, you can change the text, the font, the color of it, and even the color of the background. In the left hand side you're going to see that you can add text, you can add icon as well, you can add shapes, logos, and so on, and you can even customize them however you want. You can even click on preview to see how it's going to look like, for example here as a profile picture or in a t-shirt and so on. So it depends in what people are asking these logos to be for. So you're going to just then save it for free or download it, and first of all you need to create an account in order to be able to do that. Just click on the sign up button, and you're going to put your first name, a last name, email address, a password, confirm the password, and click on create my account. Or you can even sign up with your Facebook or Google account, because it is a lot faster and a lot easier. As you can see, once you create your account for free, you will be able to download files and its related content for free at any time. You can save many logos, and also you can customize your own logo. You can review it, edit it, and so on, which is pretty awesome actually. So just create that account for free. This platform is going to help you a lot, just like I said before, and you can even customize it on your own in order for it to look more unique. So what you're going to do next is to deliver your work back to your customer, but of course you need to get accepted first in order to be able to work for them. And if you don't want to do it like this, to bid for projects, you can just go over to become a freelancer in the upper corner, and you're going to notice that they even offer you the possibility to start selling your own gigs. You can just list your services over here by posting your gig for free, and you can earn in US dollars or cryptocurrency, which is pretty awesome. It means that other clients, the customers, are going to contact you whenever they want like a logo design created by you. And you can even go to other freelancing websites as well. For example, you can go over to Fiverr in order to list your service as a logo maker, and you're going to notice that other people are doing this as well, and they are charging like $30, $40, $10. It depends. You can even just start charging for the less, and then you can just increase your price once you gain that experience and more customers. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.